Ki riew I jingrwa jong West Giant Hills District kilawan haka juk rensan banrake ya World Music Day haka arpwe trik jilio ha District Library Auditorium mentong Jowai. Ya ka ne ka jingrake la penya da ka Office u Deputy Commissioner ringkat ka jingat lang ka District Society for Arts and Culture West Giant Hills District. Haka ne ka jingrake la shimbanta da ki nongrwa nongtem kuntup u Kenneth Anderson yakai Arman ki Nikla, Padu Blozi, Links, Ropilang Lingdo, Senkentu Senraj Khat Ardoloy, Nongtalang Rong Klatrup, Chandanga School Music, Harmonium Traditional and Fusion Music Group, Playa Suna Bat Kunhon Ruai Naga Government Boys High Secondary School, Kiangnang Ba Government College Jowai, Thomas Jones Synod College Jowai Ru, Kilashim Banta Hakanikasngi, Kumju ka jingala kai penbernya balashim banta da ka ciyung. Haka ni kasngila peninam ru ya ki jingrus pa jong ka district ha kaliang ki tiar put tiar tem tenrai na lor ki wei.
Let's go, The local people of Giant Hills use haka as an apron. The difference being it is worn throughout the day. It is considered a conservative and respectable attire. Nowadays, people wear haka on occasions too. Wearing these attires, semkacha, is an ancient practice followed by the women of Giant Hills as a symbol of modesty and respect for the society and well-being. Materials such as mulberry silk or fine cotton. It showcases intricate weaving and designs that highlight the artisanal skills of the community. This attire is reserved for special occasions like cultural festivals and ceremonies, symbolizing deep-rooted cultural pride and identity within the region. Di Muksa Uluwa Chayung Yong Uchang Wongi Ekiat Penche Open Scam Kayutang Yubat I Arling Kini Wadin Black and white strips are of the same size and shape, arranged vertically and horizontally, crossing each other at regular intervals. This traditional garment was designed in a modern way. This garment represents peace, loving, and kindness. Giant women, adorned in a traditional attire made from haka, thosuru, and dhara, along with intricate jewelry that signifies their dignity and cultural heritage. The dance movements combined with the ornate jewelry highlight the community's artistic talent and aesthetic values. It serves as a living connection to ancestral roots, fostering community bonding and social harmony. Through its graceful steps and symbolic attire, the Chadru dance encapsulates the enduring spirits of unity and aspirations for together to create percussive beats. Dancers wear traditional attire and move in synchronized formations, often accompanied by traditional music like drums and bamboo flutes. This dance is significant for its cultural symbolism, reflecting community, unity, and celebrating occasions like festivals and harvests. It serves as a vibrant expression of the Jaintia culture, heritage passed down through generations. When designed in a modern way, it is likely means that contemporary elements are incorporated while still respecting and preserving the traditional essence and identity of the garment. This approach ensures that while the design may be updated, it retains the cultural significance and heritage of the Punar people.